In this video, I will show you how to archive TikTok videos. First, launch open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you can view all the videos. Now, go ahead and tap on the video that you want to archive. Now, you want to tap on these three dots. Once you tap on it, you're going to find a couple of options here. On the bottom row, you simply want to scroll and then find the option of privacy settings. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, you're going to find the option of who can watch this video. If this is set to everyone, you simply want to change that to only you. Go ahead and do that. After you have done this video is only going to be visible to you, and for others, they won't be able to see this video. Another way is you want to tap on these three lines on your profile. Then you want to tap on Activity Center. Once you get here, find the option of Manage Post Visibility. Tap on that. Now go ahead and select the videos that you want to archive. Then set that to only you. Tap on Only You, then tap on Next. Then go ahead and tap on Only You and then tap on the Update option. So there is no direct archive button on TikTok videos, but this is a way in which you can archive the TikTok videos so only you are able to see those posts. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.